Your name is Mikaela girl, guys. Maki is a girl.
No, you boy!
No, you are a girl.
Boy!
Your name is Mikaela girl.
No, boy!
What's your name? What's your name?
I made Maki.
Maki? Maki?
Yes.
You're a Maki?
Maki girl?
Maki girl?
No,
What?
Maki boy.
Wow. But you're a girl.
No. No.
Maki boy is Dudong's name.
No.
You're a girl.
No, boy.
A boy don't shout, man. But
Why
you
you
always
shouting?
shout.
Why are you shouting?
So you're a girl.
I stuck. No. I'm a boy.
How about Kuya Ram? How about
How
Kuya
about
Ram?
me?
Is it a boy or girl?
Mimi.
Mimi. Ah!
No, Kuya Ram is a girl or boy?
Mimi koy go. Mimi. Mimi koy ram.
What? Mimi? Mimi is a boy?
No, ako.
Ah.
Mimi koy ram.
Where?
Koy ram.
Hi, Maki girl.
Magic. Ano ba?
No.
Maki girl. Stop crying, Maki girl.
No, boy.
No.
Maki boy.
Maki girl.
No, Maki boy.
You're a Maki girl because you don't have Tintin.
You don't have Tintin? Oh, your Tintin is lost. You're a girl now.
Oh!
No, boy.
You're a Maki girl na because you don't have Tintin.
Show
Where's
your
your Tintin?
Show.
Where? Oh, there's no Tintin. You're a Maki girl.
No, I am boy. I am boy, please.
How about Kuya Ram? A boy or
You're
girl?
touching your Tintin. You're a Maki girl. Stop arguing. Ni, simot yung Tintin.